Part of our commitment to putting Southeast Texas first means getting answers to your legal questions. On Wednesday afternoons, we take time to Ask the Judge. We are joined today by Judge Randy Shelton from the 279th District Court in Jefferson County. Judge, good to see you.
Hi, Jordan. How are you?
Well, I'm doing well. Welcome to the program. Couple of questions from our viewers today. We'll start with one from Marie, who says, if someone left their medication at my house and I got pulled over bringing it to them, how can they arrest me for a possession charge?
That's a common explanation that police hear all the time. Possession of a controlled substance without a prescription in your name is prohibited by the law and can result in a criminal charge. So it would be up to the accused to show evidence of the circumstances to a judge or a jury, and hopefully the judge or jury will believe that explanation. So there's really nothing specific in the law about how to transport someone else's medication like that. You just have to hope someone believes your story.
Okay, we're going to jump back to the first question, which I inadvertently skipped. It says, in Texas, is it legal to do a deed swap with property, houses, without red tape, without a realtor or lawyers? How about dividing land or taxes? Who pays for the land survey, buyer or seller? A lot of questions there. We'll let you take it away.
There is. Well, Jordan, this deed swap is probably not a good idea. A deed swap in writing is legal, but it's certainly not recommended. The red tape in real estate transactions usually include disclosures, representations, and a survey about the properties involved. For example, you would want to know if the property that you end up with is subject to a lien or has other claims on it. Usually surveys are purchased by the seller because the seller is representing that he actually owns that property and that is any fixtures are on the property in the proper place. A realtor is not required, but an attorney is a necessity.
A realtor not required, an attorney a necessity, and deed swap probably not a great idea. So there's some good takeaways there. This final question comes in from Denise, who says, I would like to know if it's legal for car title loan companies to charge 220% interest. I have one, but was not told until after I signed, and I have no paperwork showing any details or anything. Please let me know.
That's probably not a good idea either, but it is illegal in Texas to charge triple-digit interest rates. But a lot of times these companies there's really two companies involved in these car title loans. One company actually makes the loan, and they are governed by statutes regulating interest rates. But the storefront business that handles the process, they don't technically charge interest. They charge fees for handling the entire process. So those fees can drive the cost of a loan to as much as 300% of the loan amount, and that's in addition to just the interest. So if you borrow $100 and you don't make any payments on it for a whole year, at the end of the year you're going to owe $100 plus maybe as much as $300 just in interest and charges.
And people sometimes get preyed upon with these schemes. So yeah, not good there. Judge, we appreciate the breakdown though and the heads up.
Well, thank you. I always enjoy being with you guys.
Judge Randy Shelton from court, at least from his office there at the courthouse. Judge, good to see you. Folks, if you've got questions for the judge, go to 12newsnow.com/askthejudge, and there's a form you can fill out right there.